hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.
Parish proud. Yes. Put on center mass like center mass on our body. Yes. Produce. Yes. This is my granddaughter. Yes. My woman herself, she can be the next universe. Yes. World. So listen, Toniann, we glad for you, Toniann. Somebody tell you. From the large, I'm getting a family around the video. Man, this is Toniann. So I'm going to tell you, young man, I'm proud. I'm proud. Yesterday I celebrated. Because I see when you're young, blank. Look at your mother, your father. Yeah, I'm going to tell you about your family who push you, who motivate you because the ill is not just the mountain alone. You have to go over, you have to go over the valley, you have to go over everywhere. You need to fight a lady. And you make them come out to grow the different part. Let me that father, bring the father, come give me.
The girl, man.
My girl, yes, sir. And remember me tell my girl, you're a lovely young lady. Yes. And it's happy for you. Yes. And your auntie and your granny and the whole of them, uncle, your uncle Eddie Murphy, yes. The whole of them, and my grandchildren, Prince to you. Yes. Be uplifted. Put on the car. Celebration.
Where? No, me have video something. Me have video for saying go to Toniann. Yes, for viewers and subscribers, I don't know anything, man. Yeah, man, so that the Toniann Singh community where she originally from in St. Thomas, where her grandparents, everybody, the people, you know what I mean? Friends, family, cousin, brother, sister, everybody where you can think of. Up there, so them the people, and yo, John, them feel good, them feel great, because St. Thomas is a parish, you know, where enough people are really highlighted up there like that. But St. Thomas is one of the best parishes in Jamaica. I'm telling the people, it's a very great parish. And there you find the bar, you find so, yo, just by driving alone through St. Thomas can make you just feel a different atmosphere from Portland to St. Thomas. And St. Thomas is a place in newlink. Always, most the time I there Jamaica, I go. Sometimes even before I travel people, I'm there Jamaica, me just rent a car or something and just go to St. Thomas and them just go and cool out people. Just so they driving after I go up a bus stand, go have some jerk pork and them something there. Yeah, me a Jamaican, so I say they are man, but eat the proper way, you know. Yeah, and them suck the people and roll in back. So yo, I love to see them celebrate Toniann Singh, man. And again, from me, Newlink Production, man, more congratulations. I want to don't celebrate for this girl because this is a world thing, and we know Jamaicans stay at times we win this moment for the week and we happy and we laugh, and maybe 2 other week everybody just try to not talk about it again. But things like this we keep on talking about, you understand? TV station in Jamaica we keep on a showcase and something, the Prime Minister we keep on a post it up, the member of parliament we keep on a post it up to make Jamaicans and see how much we can achieve. You know what I mean? Things like them. We don't just celebrate 1 week, 2 day, 3 day, and finish it. We keep on celebrate. Make this thing be out there. Don't kill it. Don't make it dead. Because what Toniann Singh has done, people, even though she is the 4th person to have won this for Jamaica, it's such a great achievement. This is a world title, Miss World. So, you know what I mean? Let's keep on celebrating people, because, yo, you not doing it for me. Never. Always gonna be a part of me. Toniann Singh, congrats again from me, Newlink Production, and the whole Newlink family and the whole Newlink team. And I know from my viewers and my subscribers, we are saying, congratulations, Toniann Singh. And then what thing, people, St. Thomas people, pick up for yourself, attack, beat the cover them, beat it up, streets.
Maga do ya know? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.